Google Pixel Fold, a new fold in the road. Introducing the Google Pixel Fold in Obsidian with 512GB storage. The Google Pixel Fold is more than just a smartphone with a hinge. It's a statement, a promise of a future where devices adapt to our needs. And it's a pretty good start. When folded, it functions like a regular phone for checking emails and browsing. The hinge is a marvel of engineering. It's smooth, sturdy, and doesn't create an unsightly gap when closed. This is a significant improvement over some competitors. The outer display is compact and perfect for one-handed use, while the inner screen is a canvas for productivity and entertainment. Multitasking is a breeze with the split-screen functionality, and watching movies or playing games on that expansive display is a treat. Thin and sophisticated, it fits easily in your pocket with polished aluminium and matte glass. Scratch-resistant with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and IPX8 water-resistant, it has a durable stainless steel hinge. Use split screen to drag two apps from the taskbar and open them side by side. Open it to watch YouTube on a big display or prop it in tabletop mode. Google's software magic is evident. The Pixel Fold doesn't just fold, it transforms. The device seamlessly adapts to different use cases, from a compact phone to a mini tablet, with clever interface tweaks. The camera system, a hallmark of Pixel devices, delivers impressive results. Images are crisp, colors accurate, and computational photography magic adds that extra touch. The Pixel Fold captures the essence of Google's camera philosophy: point and shoot. Multitask on the big inner display or prop it to take hands-free photos and videos. Its unique form lets you take brilliant rear camera selfies and low-light photos. Live Translate uses both screens, making face-to-face conversations in different languages easier. Rated 4.3 stars. Order today for £1,319.